How to create custom shapes in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So if you created a shape and want to save it to use it later, you gotta use what's called here save custom shape. It's saving the created shape in the custom shapes panel from here. So as you can see, here is the shape icon. Hold on it or right click on it and then go to custom shape tool. As you can see, you gotta find the shape here. Here are many custom shapes. So what we're gonna do now is creating a shape and saving it here in the shapes panel. Let's first create the shape using the pen tool and choose here shape and choose the fill to be this color and remove the stroke. And let's now create our shape. Let's make it something like this. Yeah, this is the custom shape. So now all you gotta do is go into the direct selection tool. It's here under the path selection tool. You gotta click on Shift plus A several times to go to it, or just right click here and go to direct selection tool, and then right click here or double finger and then click on define custom shape. Let's name it and click on OK. Let's remove this now. So now after defining the shape as a custom shape, all you gotta do if you want to reuse it is go into the custom shape tool from here and go to the shape panel from here and choose the shape and then drag it. Here is the shape. As you can see, you can also customize it from here, and let's reuse it again. Let's redo it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.